Imagine turning a modest investment into a fortune, not by luck, but by strategy. Picture yourself studying the markets late into the night, searching for that one opportunity that could change everything. This isn't just a dream for some, it's a reality for a select few. That's the world of billionaire investor Bill Ackman, a man whose name is synonymous with bold moves and big risks. Ackman isn't your average Wall Street player. He's a visionary who sees potential where others see danger, and he's never afraid to go against the crowd. He's famous for making bold, concentrated bets, sometimes risking billions on just a few companies. These aren't small wagers, they're calculated risks that can make or break fortunes. His approach is high stakes, high reward, and it's earned him both massive wins and headline-making losses. The roller coaster of his career is a testament to his willingness to put everything on the line. As the founder of Pershing Square Capital Management, Ackman's moves can shake entire markets. When he acts, the world pays attention, and companies can rise or fall based on his decisions. What sets him apart? Conviction. Ackman's unwavering belief in his research and his vision is what truly distinguishes him from the rest. He dives deep, buys big, and often takes a seat at the table to influence a company's future. He's not just an investor, he's an activist, shaping the direction of the businesses he believes in. Today on Entrepreneurial Edge, we'll break down Ackman's market-crushing strategy, his research, his activist playbook, and the legendary hedge that made billions during a global crisis. We'll explore how he spots opportunities and manages risk when the stakes are highest. If you want to learn how to build real wealth, stick around. The lessons from Ackman's journey are invaluable for anyone looking to make smarter investment decisions. Ackman's lessons could change the way you invest forever. Let's dive in and discover what it takes to bet big and win. What's Ackman's secret weapon? It's relentless, fundamental research, an approach that goes far beyond the surface. He and his dedicated team spend months, sometimes even years, painstakingly studying a single company before they invest a single dollar. They dig into every detail, analyzing the business model, scrutinizing the competition, evaluating management, mapping out the supply chain, and understanding the customer base. Ackman personally talks to former employees, consults with industry experts, and gathers insights that others might overlook. He builds intricate, detailed financial models to predict a company's future performance and stress tests every assumption. This obsessive, thorough research gives him the confidence to make massive, bold bets when others are panicking or running scared. He seeks out simple, dominant businesses with strong competitive moats, like Chipotle, which he supported when most doubted its potential. The lesson here? Don't just follow the herd. Dare to think independently and question the consensus. Go deeper than anyone else, even if it means working late nights and poring over endless reports. Know your investment inside and out from every angle and every possible risk. That's how you build true conviction and protect yourself from the wild swings of the market. In the end, deep research is your ultimate edge in investing. Once Ackman's research gives him conviction, he doesn't just dip his toes in. He goes all in, making huge, concentrated bets that can move markets. He's known for putting significant portions of his fund's capital behind just a few high-conviction ideas, showing a level of commitment and risk tolerance that sets him apart from most investors. Unlike most funds that diversify across dozens of stocks to spread risk, Pershing Square often holds fewer than a dozen companies at any given time. This means each investment is carefully chosen and monitored, with the team focusing their energy and resources on a select few opportunities. This intense focus can lead to outsized wins or painful losses, so thorough research and deep analysis are absolutely everything. Every detail matters when so much is riding on each decision, but Ackman doesn't just buy shares and wait. He's an activist investor, taking large stakes to influence management and drive strategic change. He gets involved, pushing companies to unlock value and improve performance. He's pushed for new CEOs, cost cuts, and bold strategic shifts, like at Canadian Pacific Railway, where his activism sparked a dramatic turnaround and created billions in value for shareholders. Ackman isn't just a stock picker, he's a business catalyst, someone who actively shapes the future of the companies he invests in. For you, the lesson is to think like an owner, not just a trader. Pay close attention to management quality, company strategy, and the long-term vision, not just the daily stock price movements. Adopting an ownership mindset leads to better decisions, more patience, and ultimately, bigger gains over time. So, invest like you truly own the business, because that's how real wealth is built. Ackman's most legendary move, his COVID-19 hedge. As the pandemic loomed, he bought cheap credit default swaps, essentially insurance against a market crash. For $27 million, he protected his portfolio. When markets tanked, his hedge paid out $2.6 billion. But he didn't stop there. Ackman reinvested those profits at the market's lowest point, doubling down on high-quality companies like Lowe's and Chipotle. This bold sequence, hedging, then buying at the bottom, led to a 70% return in 2020. The lesson: prepare for disaster, then seize opportunity when others panic. Be bold, but calculated. Crisis can be your greatest opportunity. Ackman's final edge: patience and transparency. He invests for years, ignoring short-term noise, and shares his strategies openly through detailed presentations and letters. This builds trust and helps shape the narrative around his investments. For you, develop a long-term mindset. Invest in businesses you understand and hold through ups and downs. Think like an owner, do your research, and be ready for downturns. You don't need billions to apply these principles, just discipline and conviction. With deep research, strong conviction, and patience, you can achieve extraordinary results. Thanks for watching Entrepreneurial Edge. Subscribe for more insights from the world's top investors.